Hello there, Dan the Weatherman here. Hey, welcome to my weather show. We're going to look at the weather for New Zealand for the coming week. And finishing off July, what a month has been for some of us. Some parts of the country, Dunedin, 5 times your monthly normal rainfall. Christchurch, 4, and other parts of the country, just staggering amounts. We were in some places meant to just have below normal rainfall, but sometimes the weather is in the driving seat and it has really delivered as far as rain's concerned. Quiet looking week for some of us. You can see them on the broader shot. A couple of strips of cloud, one there, and look at this connection of cloud here going all the way back to the Indian Ocean, big circle there, a tropical cyclone. You think, well, wow, we're actually going to get influenced by some of that moisture later in the week to some parts of the country. Coming in close, you can see the wider shot here. Check this out. Big zone of yellow, that's the first system going away. Where the lines go like that, that's an upper trough energy. That's quiet weather, so that's what we've got for the first part of the week. Quiet weather, finally some high pressure. This is the next zone of color here, the next weather system. But you see how the cloud connects all the way back to that tropical cyclone, big blob of red there, and then another system. So they grab some moisture, bring it through. So that moisture actually tracks all the way towards us. And why I'm talking about it is because some parts of the country could get some more significant rainfall. You're thinking, well, it's meant to be a dry week or drier week. It will be for some of us, but not all. This is how it looks then for the course of the week. First off, a quick thing to show you. This is juice or precipitable water. It's the energy and the moisture in the atmosphere. Where is purple and blue? That's the tropics. So tropical cyclone here, you see how it connects? Big line there and another one there. It's called an atmospheric river. It's like connecting it. It's like a pipeline of moisture. That's how we sometimes get so much rain in places. One there and one there. So both of those in particular will bring a surge of some wet weather to the west of the South Island. Monday, a little bend there. Red is quiet, that's dry. Blue is energy, that's the first system, the first front to go through. It goes through. A little curl there, that could set off a low to the north of the country, but don't worry about that. Then we get this zone. Remember that connection for the moisture into all the way to the far north and west, to the west of the South Island. That's the end of the week, so it's something else. Could be a bit of a stormy week for some of us as we get towards the end of the week and next week. So Monday, high pressure. We finally got it. There it is, settling over the country. Monday's a decent looking day. Get outside, enjoy it. Very pleasant. With that flow, a few specks of blue to the west of the South Island, so those could be some showers. Setting up shop for the new front coming in across the Tasman Sea, but Monday's quite nice. There'll of course be some overnight frosts down south. Tuesday, further north and east you are, you've got another great looking day. And check out that flow. That's a good warm flow. So some parts of the country, places like Invercargill, Dunedin, 15, 16 for the high, a few degrees above. Christchurch, 17. Auckland, Gisborne, lovely looking day. Tuesday we set up shop with that front there and the zone of wet moving into the west of the South Island. That could be the beginnings of some significant rain, and there'll be good spillover. And remember where all that moisture was coming from? Originating all the way back here. That comes through Tuesday. It slides through with its energy on Wednesday. It loses it, so it's really just a band of patchy rain or showers to the north of the North Island. West coast still some showers. Blue line, by the way, is a snow level about 1,000 meters. And then there's that low I mentioned that could develop with that little twist of energy through midweek. Get through the later parts of the week. We're quiet again over much of the country for Thursday. Good washing day. And then remember the next zone which connects the moisture from all the way up there. That sets up again into the west of the South Island. So by the end of the week, that's the second system to come through. You really want to watch it to the far south and west, Fiordland, Westland, right the way up. That will set up for another zone of some stronger winds. That low goes away. But check out the North Island. Even through Friday, you're dry, you're fine. Temperatures mid to upper teens. There could even be the odd 20. And the east of the South Island, warm nor'wester, you're dry. But that Friday into Saturday, do watch out. That's going to have a good lump of rain to boom, push through. Cooler sou'wester drops the snow level to a few hundred meters, but that will have some significant moisture, not just for the west coast of the South Island where the purple is there, 100 to 300 millimeters of rain, but spillover. So places like Queenstown, Wanaka, Mackenzie Basin, you could be into 50 to 100 millimeters of rain. And of course, remember, we've had the recent rain there, so bear that in mind, west coast as well. Eastern areas, you are much drier this week, and there's that zone of wet. So it is a quieter week, just a couple of fish hooks though, wet weather to the south and west, which could slide through and give some decent spillover, but temperatures at least creeping up as well this week too. That's the weather for now.